Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a haul for the brand Missguided, and I'm super excited because I've never purchased anything from them before, so this is my first time. And I would say that their styles are similar to like Pretty Little Thing or Fashion Nova, so they have some pretty cute things. And yeah, I'm super excited to show you what I got. And if you're interested in this video and you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to my channel. And let's get right into the video. Alright, so the light might change because I'm right in front of a window and the clouds stopped covering the sun, but oh well. I'm scared I'm gonna like cut right through it. Okay, so I got two dresses. So this is one of them, the first dress, and it's like purple and black. They're little flowers. And this is like a white dress with florals. The last thing in here, I bought a pair of shoes. Oh my god, these are so cute. Stop, these are adorable, look at that. All right, second bag. So second bag, I got this fuzzy cardigan, which I'm super excited about, and a pair of boots, which are like squashed. These are cute. Oh my god, it's like that that smell of leather. I don't even think they're real leather, but like it smells like real leather. That chunky boot. Oh my god, these are so cute. And so when I purchased these things, they were on sale, I think like 50% off. But I did have to pay customs because I'm Canadian and they're from the UK. So I don't know if you had to 100% pay customs or it just depended on like how much or how big or how much your things weighed. Maybe the boots made them weigh more, but like, come on, these are so cute. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try the dresses on first and then put the boots on after. Okay, wait, since we're already here and I'm wearing brown, let's see this cardigan. It's so fuzzy, it's so soft. And this one I think is made of like recycled material. So it's like planet friendly. That's so cozy. That's really cute and cozy. I'll show you, I'll bring this down. It's so fuzzy, like it's just such a nice, warm, fuzzy material, and I don't have anything like this. I just think it's so cute and soft and just really fluffy. All right, next up we have this dress. I'm really excited. I wanted to get a couple dresses just because my birthday. What is this? This garment cannot be returned if this ribbon has been removed. Okay, I will not take it off until it fits me. Yeah, anyways, I wanted to get a couple dresses for my birthday just to like see if I wanted to wear them since my birthday's next month, but who knows, we'll probably be in COVID still. So this is what it looks like. And it's long. It's like a maxi midi dress. It's so cute. Let's go put it on. Okay, this is really cute. This is what the top looks like. I didn't take this off yet just in case, but like, oh, so cute. I'm gonna show you the full thing. So this is the detail in the front. Honestly, I might just wear it with the cardigan like this, like, stop. All right, and this is the second dress. I did, however, notice that when I ordered it, I didn't realize it said petite on it until I looked at the receipt later. So I'm like really hoping this fits me because petite for them is like 5'3" and under, and I am 5'6". This is a dress. It's actually probably better that I got it as a petite because then it'll be an actual midi on me instead of a like maxi midi, mixity, is that a word? I don't know, let's go put this on. All right, so this is it on. I'm a little disappointed though because the front doesn't really fit me as I'd like it to. So honestly, this might have to be a return, but it is cute. I'll give it that. So this is the full dress. And like it looks good off the bat, but like the top doesn't fit. All right, so I'm just gonna go put the shoes on and show you guys what they look like. Okay, these are pretty chunky. I didn't expect them to be so chunky, but I guess they're just gonna take some getting used to. But they're cute. Like, these are definitely cute. I think a nice chunky shoe is something that I needed to add to my wardrobe. Also, I don't wear shoes in the house regularly in Canada. I'm just putting them on here because they're clean. But yeah, they're cute and chunky. All right, these are the boots, and oh my God, they're so big and chunky. Like, hello. These are the boots. Definitely just super chunky and cute. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!